In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Ledger Live password. Now, first of all, if you need any new Ledger devices, you can use my link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can buy the official Ledger there at the best prices as well as get some bonus Bitcoin, and you'll also support my channel that way. So to reset the Ledger Live password, the only thing you can do over here is inside Ledger Live, click on the settings cogwheel top right, and then here go to the help section, scroll down to the very bottom, and here it says reset Ledger Live, which will erase all Ledger Live data stored on your computer, including your accounts, transactions, histories, and settings. Just click on the reset over here, and then whenever you actually reset your Ledger Live, you'll be able to basically go from the beginning. So it's going to look like this. You're going to have to start on your device setup again. You're going to have to select it, and then you just click on already have a recovery phrase, and you can just connect your basically Ledger device over here again, and you've basically reset everything regarding your Ledger Live app, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.